Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Jai Jagannath. In the last video, we learned how to draw animals. In this video, I will teach how to draw scenery. A scenery is very important in a drawing because it is the first step to draw something new, or it includes mountains, many landforms of the earth. So let's start. First, draw a line like this. After drawing the line, we will draw some hills like this. Two or three is enough. And after this we'll draw sun, because this scenery is the image of an sunrise. Draw the rays then. After one island like this. After this we'll draw the river. Simply draw the waves. Put some lines like this. Here we'll draw a house. Simple out. And here some grass. And coconut tree. So drawing a coconut tree, first draw 4 5 lines like this and draw lines like they look like a coconut tree. To learn the big shapes and basic pictures, you can watch my previous videos in the channel pages. So we'll draw some grass here. Now for outline I will use black pen because scenery will look good when you give black sketch or black outline. So let's start. Now our outline is over. Now we'll go for coloring. Now for coloring the hills I will use dark brown. First we'll give outline for it as usual. Now we shade the hills. For learning coloring, watch my videos. Now our hill coloring is over. Go for the sun. First we'll outline the rays in the red color. After in yellow. For the inner part I will use, first we'll shade it in yellow color. lightly shade. Upon that, we will shade it red color like this. After that, we will take paper, rub it so that the color mix properly. Now our coloring of the sun is over. Go to the river. First and blend. Then the waves. After this, blue so dark. After this, blue so dark. Now our coloring of the river is over. Now I will color the island. For coloring the island, I will use light green color. First we'll do outline for it. After this, we'll shade it. After this, we'll color the house. You can color of your choice. For the terrace, I will use brown color. And for the door also. And for the house, I will use yellow color. Now for coloring the tree, we'll use brown color for the wooden part, and upon the brown I will also. And for the leaf I will use your dark green. Just simply shade it. The tree is over. Now I have to fill up these spaces. Shade it lightly. You should not mix with the tree. Now we'll color this softest part. We'll do light shade. Now in the second part I will do the color, lightly shaded. Shade it up to you. Now for shading the lower part I will use orange color. With deep shade with this. Now our scenery drawing is over. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel otherwise you will not get the notification of my new videos. And also watch my all the videos so that you may not miss any tutorial of drawing. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.